Hi everyone, my name is Grace Reed. This week is week 12, chapter 8, and I had number 7 as my homework thing, and I can show you. So right here it says chapter 8, problem 7. So I have already completed it, and I can show you my work within this Excel document. So I'll actually put these side by side. So as you can see here, I copied a lot of the problem over with the cumulative depreciation and the equipment cost. So for journal number 1, it says the machine needed an extensive repair and was not worth repairing. So he decided to dispose of the machine and not receive anything. So therefore, you need to figure out the book value. So you do this by taking the cost of the machine minus the depreciation to get the book value, which is the loss of the equipment, in this case, the machine. So we have the depreciation value, then the loss of this disposal on machine, and then we have the machine in and of itself. So that's how we figured out that one. Sorry. For number 2, it's just saying that the machine sold for this much cash. So for number 2, or for journal entry number 2, you need to find the loss of the disposal on the equipment. So you do this by doing the book price minus the sales price, which is, we already figured out up here, the loss of the disposal on equipment, and we did that by the cost of equipment minus the depreciation. So then we take that and we subtract the sales price on the machine to get the loss. And so you record it as the amount of cash you got as a debit, and then the cumulative depreciation. In this case, it's not equipment. In this case, it's the machine, because that's what he is selling, which is still equipment. Then you also put in the loss, and that all totals the credit for the machine. So in journal entry number 3, he sold the machine. So you just put it in cash, and then the cumulative depreciation and the machine cost. And that's how journal entry number 3 works. For number 4, or for journal entry number 4, he sold the machine for this amount of cash. And therefore you have the cash and you have the depreciation and you also have the machine, but you need to figure out the gain on the sale. So you do this by taking the disposal of the equipment, in this case the machine, and then it's sale price minus the book price. So we had the sale price, and we had already figured out previously the book price, the book value, which is cost of equipment minus the cumulative depreciation, and you get this amount. Therefore, you put that in on the gain of sale, and you put that in as a credit. And that is how you do this question. If you have any questions, feel free to ask how I got something, where I did, and whatnot. So that's how I did that one, and I can show you it up here as well. Let's see. And that's all. That's all the work for number 7. I hope you have a good evening. Thank you.